Hi everyone, Yen here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I assume that you are here, or a lot of you are here because of the collaboration that I'm a part of this weekend. We had several guys pouring yesterday, and then we are continuing today. I am the second to last. After me will be Gasser. I will have a link for his channel in my description. I'll also have a link for all the other guys that have been pouring. So this is the Pouring with the Fellas collaboration, and this one this weekend is inspired by Valentine's Day, which was on Monday, and we have therefore named it After the Love Is Gone. Just go with it. Well, that's not what we named it, but just go with the name After the Love Is Gone, and then pour something that you think will be to everyone's liking, hopefully. And I will be making a swipe, bloom-inspired pour swipe, and hope that you enjoy it. I'm standing here in front of my wall of paintings. As you can see, we have luckily very high ceilings, 3 meters and 70. I do not know what that is in feet. It's tall. And yeah, I need to get rid of some of these paintings. I might have some kind of auction or something when I reach 1,000 subscribers, which should hopefully be soon. But enough of about this. I really hope that you enjoy this pour that I'm doing, and come back soon and let's get down to painting, and I hope that you enjoy it. As I said, do not forget to go check out Garcer after me. Have a great day and enjoy the pour. Bye. Okay, so this is a 30 by 30 centimeter canvas, and as you see, I'm just putting on the pillow paint, trying to stretch it out, trying to get it to cover most of the canvas, and then shortly I'll be starting to put on the colors. As I said in the intro, I'm doing a bloom swipe since the subject of the pour was After the Love Is Gone. I decided to add the puddle as a heart. Well, I start out with a square for some reason, I don't know why, and then I realized, oh wait, I was supposed to make a heart. So that's what I'm doing here, just adding the different colors, the layers on top of each other, and then I'll be doing a swipe. This one was the Amsterdam Carmine, and it'll show on the screen actually what colors I'm using. And yeah, I hope that you really, I can only repeat myself. I'm trying not to use the word enjoy, but I'm hoping that you did enjoy the pours yesterday. And as I said, I'll be the second to last. So after me is Gasser. There will be a link for his channel in my description. There will also be a link for all the other channels and the lineup. And if you haven't already watched all of them, then please do go back and show them support. Give them some likes, comment on their videos, ask questions. It all helps keeping our channels relevant. So yeah, please, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, then do add them and give us a like. That would be really great. It's been really awesome to be in this collaboration. As you will have seen, all kinds of techniques, all kinds of different approaches. I decided to take it a little literal with this heart, and I had initially actually thought that I was not going to use this piece because it had to grow on me. I didn't really care much for it when it was first done, but I sent it to one of my friends without telling her what it was about, without asking for any input. Just said, so this is the last piece that I made. And she wrote me back and said, that looks like a broken heart. And there you go. I decided, okay, Heartbreak it is, and that's definitely um, fitting the subject of our pour. So that's why I decided to go with it. And after having varnished it and just looked at it from from afar and just let it sit for a few days, I actually realized that I really like this one. I really love this one. I'm happy the way that it came out, and definitely, yeah, if someone sees it and says that it looks like a broken heart, I mean, how can you not use that in a After the Love Is Gone pour? So I'm just adding a little more of the carmine here because I wanted the red to be dominant. Um, and then I'll be starting the swiping. Um, the swipe I'm doing with the usual concoction of Amsterdam's oxide black and Australian Floetrol, and the mix is 1 part paint and 3 parts Australian Floetrol. As you will see, I also decided to add a little of the cell activator just in the white puddle, just to have a little contrast. Not much of it will be left in the final result, but I still really like the contrast and it's just mostly in one of the edges, one of the corners where you can actually see this at the end. But I like the result. As you also see, I have the canvas sitting in a dog pool, and on a spinner makes it much easier for me to do the swipes in a more controlled manner. Um, I've also learned from experience to try to not swipe over something that has already been swiped. So that's why you'll see that even though I was aiming for the heart shape, I try not to swipe over the part that I've already pulled down to the bottom of this canvas right now. So I'll just pull it to the side instead, practically covering the black lacing that I just put on there. Oh, right, I did decide to add this metallic green on one side of the heart. I don't know, it still has to grow on me. Unfortunately, it makes it look on the dried result as if there's a reflection on the canvas or on the painting, and there really isn't. It's just simply the blue or green, metallic green, that makes it look as if there's the light is being reflected on the heart. But yeah, I guess I don't know. I kind of regretted using it, but I did talk to, for instance, Nick about it. He says that it really doesn't bother him. He thinks that it looks cool, and yeah, I guess it just has to grow on you. Once again, I want to just please ask you to go to check out Gasser's Pour After Me. You will find the link in the description. And again, if you haven't checked all the others, please do go and check them. It's some awesome artists that have been part of this collaboration. Um, and yeah, it's been a lot of fun. It's been cool to be part of. Thank you, Nick, for inviting me to the collaboration. Great that you were thinking about me. Always appreciate that. So here I'm just adding the pill paint on the sides and just on the corners so that it will cover the whole canvas, and just spinning it out a few times. I actually really do like the way that it worked. Again, it was just an idea to take it literal and actually start with a heart. And I'm again really impressed that my friend, the first thing she said was that it looked like a broken heart. pretty cool, I think, if people can see that. Just a few finishing touches. This is not the final result. As I said, the contrast that I wanted to have on there, I'm right now trying to add just a little more. So I'm swiping with the cell activator again, but I put a little of 24K on it. The gold doesn't really show up that much, but still makes it much more interesting, I think. And you'll see that I'll also spin it more to not have it that too much of that um, black and white lacing in the corner. Yeah, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It means a lot. It helps me grow my channel. It helps me hopefully get to my 1,000 subscribers soon. I should be close. And also leave a comment for me. I will respond to questions. And hit the like button, please. And then do go over and check out Gaza's Pour after me. And with that, I wish you a wonderful day, wonderful Sunday if you're watching this on the Sunday when it's being premiered. And you take care. Bye. Oh, one last thing. Sorry. Do stay till the end. There's another 50 seconds or so left. There will be the dried result, the varnished dried result. It looks pretty cool. I put it in a frame, well, in one of those apps, so I didn't actually put it in a frame, but it looks really cool in the frame, I think. And with that said, you have a great day. Bye.